Hello, my name is Arethea Brooks, and welcome to my channel here at Essentials to a Journey, where we discuss all things self-care. But before I get into today's topic of discussion, I'd like to introduce myself to those of you who do not know who I am. I am a mindset and self-care health coach, as well as an entrepreneur. And if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in this video and content that is more like it. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's topic of discussion, which is chronotypes and self-care. So, understanding chronotypes. What is a chronotype? A chronotype is a way of understanding your body's natural sleep-wake rhythm. And this explains why some people are more early birds and some are more night owls. So, there are 4 different types of chronotypes when it comes to self-care. And the first chronotype I'd like to share with you is the chronotype of the lion. The second is the bear. The third is the wolf. And the fourth is the dolphin. So with these 4 chronotypes, what I'd like to do now is just go over what they are and kind of help you gain a better understanding of what each chronotype of the lion, the bear, the wolf, and the dolphin is. So the bear or the lion is more of a early bird. These are the people that are the early risers. They're the ones that are ready to go at like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. They have that energy and they're ready to tackle their day, tackle their tasks, and get things done. Now with the bear is more of they basically follow the sun. So they're more of the afternoon people. They get their burst of energy from later, more so in the afternoon of the day, so between like 1 and 2 or between the hours of 1 and 4. They just get that burst of energy and they're able to get more done. And the wolf is more of the night owl. They're the ones that they have that sense of creativity and they're ready to go, and they're those thinkers in the late hours. And the dolphin, which is, they are more, I want to say they are more light sleepers, but they're also very unpredictable. Their energy is unpredictable. And for anybody that has witnessed or seen a dolphin in action, whether you've seen them through video footage or you have seen them in person, you can already tell that dolphins, they're so full of life. They're very beautiful, happy creatures, but they also are unpredictable. You know, one minute they're playing with you, they're splashing water all over. The next minute, I don't know if you guys have seen those videos, but they're like the person that is attached to them or that they are kind of playing with, they, drag them underwater and they're having such a good time and they're splashing around. So that's the best way to describe the dolphin. So those are the 4 different types of chronotypes. Now, you may be wondering, how does all of this stuff relate to self-care? Well, when you know your chronotype, you're able to plan your self-care routine when you naturally feel your very best. So take, for example, if you know that you are an early bird, you're a morning riser, you can more self-identify with being more so of a lion, and you understand the role that takes on. So you know that, okay, if I'm more of a lion, that means naturally I wake up early and I already have that burst of energy and I'm ready to start my day off with meditation. So you may want to start a meditative practice knowing that you are an early riser. And if you are more of a bear, it helps you to kind of plan more so in the afternoon. As well as when you are a wolf or a dolphin, you're able to understand whether or not you have that more spontaneous, unpredictable energy, or if you just like to work more so in the evening. So again, it's essential to understand your chronotype, because when you are able to understand your chronotype, you're able to understand and plan for better self-care in a more natural, holistic way. So one essential tip for each chronotype for self-care is, if you are a lion, you want to consider creating a self-care routine when you rise, because you are an early riser. So getting yourself ahead of the curve by starting a self-care routine that is going to support you to start you throughout your day. If you are a bear, you possibly want to consider taking breaks throughout your day so that you feel a little bit more recharged. If you are a wolf, then you want to give yourself the permission that you need in order to wind down so that you're able to sleep well, because you know that you're not the early riser. So just giving yourself that permission to wind down successfully so that you have a good night's rest. And similar to the wolf, the dolphin, you also want to create a self-care sleep routine that helps you to be able to relax so that you are feeling a little less restless. So those are 4 essential tips for the 4 different types of chronotypes for self-care. So if you have made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you for sticking around. And if you found any of this information super helpful for you understanding self-care and chronotypes, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and share so that others may also find this content easily, and also so that you stay tuned in and you're able to stay informed whenever I have more self-care material to be able to share with you. Thank you for tuning in today to this video and taking a moment and opportunity to understand your self-care routine, and especially when it comes to chronotypes, so that you're able to either understand who you are as a person, as an early riser or as a night owl. Again, thank you for taking a moment for your self-care, and I wish you lots of peace, light, and much love. Until next time.